How to use Pinterest application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Pinterest application. Now the very first step to use this application is to log in with your account details. Click on the person icon at the bottom right corner, then click on the left corner. If you have not logged in with your account details, simply provide it and then log in or simply create a new account. Then you will be heading toward the For You page. Now if you're a new user, you won't have any of your interest content here. So go to search option and search anything which you like and want to see more posts about it. So here you can also see your history. I will be simply searching about mandala and here you can simply see the results. You can see photos, posts, videos. At the top you can also filter the type of post which you want to view. I'll simply choose videos here and click on confirm. So as you can see about mandala, you will only be able to see the videos now. After that, beside profile you also have the option of messages. So in update section you will see update related to the topic that you have saved in pinned interest, and in inbox you will be able to chat with your friends. After that, in the plus icon when you click on it, you can simply post your own picture, pin and board. Now, if you want to save any picture in Pinterest, simply click on the three dots below the picture and you will be able to download it. But remember, you cannot follow this step for videos because Pinterest does not allow us to download the videos. Now to save it is only in your profile. Simply tap and hold on the picture, then click on the pin icon. Provide the name for the pin or you can simply save it on the previous existing pin on your profile. Once you have provided the name, simply click on create at the top. Now to view it later, simply click on the person icon at the bottom right corner. Then go to pins at the top left corner and there you will be able to see it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.